Hello everyone. So I will be showing you how to import a CSV file into Access database without creating any error message, especially for the date and time format or data type. So let's say I have an example here from IGCSE paper, which I have to import this result CSV file into Access database. So I open just an Access database, an empty one, and I have this CSV file which is supposed to look like with all these fields, which is this one, and I have over here the birth date. So I need to import this file into Access database without having any error message. So let's try right now to import it. So let's go to external data, new data source, from file, and we click on text file. I'm going to browse it. I put it on the desktop, so I'm going to import. Here's the file, and I will click on OK. Okay, my file is open, so I need to close it from here, and then I need to redo it again. After I closed it, I need to open it. Okay, so I got this window. I click on next. Here I have always to make sure that the first row contains field names, and when I click on advance, it just will make sure that the birth date is with the data type of date with time. So I'm going to keep it as it is and click on next till finish, and you will notice that I am going to get an error message. Here I got my table, and you will notice even most of them are empty. There will be another error message here. This error message will show me that there is a type conversion. Actually, what happened because of the conversion between British and American timing, so that is caused this type of error. I have two solutions to do this. Either I change my date format, or I avoid this by another method. So let me try to avoid it first without changing my computer formatting. So let me delete those two tables, and let's see how we can import it by using the first method. So let's say I'm going to import it one more time. I will make first row to contain field names and click on advanced. Here what I am going to do, I am going to convert the birth date into, from date with time, I'm going to make it into a short text, as short text will accept all different types of characters and letters and numbers. So it's going to make it as it is. Later I'm going to modify it back again into date and time. So I will click on OK. Next, till next, whatever you need to do according to your question paper, and then click on finish. After that, you're going to notice that there is only one table imported. There is no second table with errors, and here we go. You will notice that the whole table came to you, a complete whole field, even for the birth date. If you click on home and view, after that what you have to do, you have to come over here and you have to change your birth date back again into date and time, and then click over a view and save it, and you will notice it become into the date and time without any errors. So this is the first method. The second method, which is, let me delete this one and let's redo it by using the second method. Second method, you have to convert your date into another format. So to convert your date, we have to go to search and we have to say change date and time. You will get this screen or this window. Click over here, date and time, date, time, and regional formatting. Over here, go to change data formats, and over here what you need to choose is this format. After you select that format, close it, and then right now let's try to import our table, CSV table again. We're not going to change anything in it. we're just going to make the first row content fields and names, and here I'm not going to touch the date and time at all. I'm going to leave it as date with time, and then click on next till the end and click on finish. And we will notice here it is coming again without any errors, only the whole table. And here you can see with the full data in it, with a complete birth date for everyone. And even if you click on view, you will notice it is still with the same format of date and time. So those are the two methods to avoid this type of error of conversions. I hope it is useful for you. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section.